What's up, guys? It's May 1st, 2024. Had a sideways day today. Big up, big down for FOMC. Pretty boring price action, but I mean, it's still tradable. I was scalping all morning. I kind of liked it. It was difficult. It was a broad bear channel. Had that down right there. Yeah, so broad bear channel here with a sell, go short and go long. Kind of should really trade with the trend, so it's better to go short at the top of the range. So here we go. We'll talk about, we're just go through each bar by bar. Leave it a little bit fast because it's sideways today. Gap down. Bar one is a bull bar. Market tries to sell off into yesterday's low. Bulls reverse up. Bar two is a reversal bar. Give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds here. Okay, bar two is a reversal bar. Bar three is good follow through, tagging yesterday's low. Bar four is follow through, looking like it's trying to break through yesterday's low. Bar five is breaking out, and bar six is a pullback. Two-range bar, market sells off and reverses up. Bar seven is a pretty big outside bar. It sells off, reverse comes up, and ultimately sells back off again. Very easy to get trapped in that, but that's a range bar, and this is the range right here. Bar 8 is an inside bar. Here's the low, here's the high. We stayed within bar 7's range. Bar 9 tags the low of bar 7. I think there are more buyers down here, and it reverses up higher back into the channel. I think there are more buyers sitting at the channel lows and more sellers at the channel highs. Bar 12 is a 2-bar reversal. This looks like a higher low from this price structure. Breakout, pullback, leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3 into the EMA. Bar 13 is another inside bar. It reverses and sells higher, but closes right below yesterday's low. Bar 14 looks like it's trying to break out or break back into yesterday's low. This whole price structure could be a reversal. It came down once here, came down twice, and reversed up. Bar 15 is a pullback for the bulls. It's a trend line break right there. It also breaks the 13 low. So it sells off, reverses, and that's the form of a bull flag on a micro channel line break. That's a bull flag on a different time frame because it's a trend channel line break here, so it's a fade to the recent high. Bar 16, and we get that fade, and the market takes profits. It closes bullish, so we have trending lows and trending highs actually. Bar 17, not the strongest bar. It's a small close. It's bullish along with bar 18 and 19. They're all bull closes with trending higher, but a lot of tail. So that's back and forth trading within the bar. That shows sellers at highs, which is also the EMA. First touch of the EMA since yesterday's bar 77. Breakout, channel, pullback. And now we're kind of channeling / range bound. Bar 19, there are more sellers at the EMA. Bar 9. No, this is bar 20, excuse me. 19, 20. More sellers at the EMA. 21 is good follow through. 22, we sell off into the low of the channel. So here's one leg, pullback, 2 legs. It's really deep today. The pullback goes all the way to the high. So that's more range bound than trending behavior. 25, 23, 24. Market is reversing from the lows. We have FOMC today, so the market's just going range bound. It's oscillating. So we have a buy vacuum into the range highs, and then it sells back off into the range lows. This is like leg 1, pullback leg 2. Market tries to break out below the channel and reverses higher. Bar 32, follow through for 31, and then it breaks out and they get a 2-legged pullback leg 1, pullback leg 2. This looks like a wedge top into the EMA. 33 is a push higher, it pulls back. 33 is a push higher. 34 is a push higher, pull back. 36 is a push higher, 2-bar reversal with 37. The market channels lower. This creates a wedge here. I was actually buying these bars. 37 is good follow through for 36, breaking below the EMA. 39 is follow through, so leg 1. First opposite bar, leg 2. Then we channel here higher. Bar 42 is the first bar that goes. This is a double top, so bar 42 breaks 41's high, so this is a micro channel line. 42 breaks that. That's another form of a second leg. Then we go for another leg lower here. 45 looks 45 looks like a good bear trap. 46 is follow through. It could look like the market's breaking out. We've been in a channel all day, so it's normal for the market to repeat what it's been doing. 46 is a strong bar. Bulls want to get the breakout with 46. 46, 47. 1 second. Oh, my dog's running around. 47, 48 is good follow through. This is the first time bulls are closed a bar above the EMA. So they tried to break out, failed, tried to break out, failed, tried to break out, failed. Broke out, follow through, another bar. Regardless of FOMC, if you want to take this whole leg, we get 1R right here with bar 55, and that was the first FOMC bar. Doesn't really matter about the news though, because we can still trade this from a price action perspective. It's really cool. So we get 1R with bar 45 to start FOMC. This is so bulls get the breakout, pull back, they collect bars above the EMA, starts breakout, pull back, spike and channel, right? Because the first opposite bar initiates the channel phase. So breakout, channel, starts to channel higher, two-sided trading within these bars here. 60 is a strong breakout. 61, the market tries to break below, tags the EMA and reverses higher. Same thing with 63, tries to reverse lower. That's a 2 pushes down, and we have trending lows with 61. 62 and 63 is we have trending lows and trending highs. 63 tries to reverse again and breaks out. The market goes sideways. Instead of breaking out above the higher time frame EMA, it starts to reverse with a head and shoulders pattern right here. Something I wanted to point out is, so if you go for 1-to-1 there, go for 1-to-1 here, you can go for 1-to-1 here. If you go for 1-to-1 of 63, you're gonna get trapped. It's just too big. But look, we could, I think, if you traded the 50% level, you could get a scalp, a pretty decent scalp right here. You could do it twice. You could get a 12-point scalp. That's pretty decent. I actually bought the high of 65 here. That's the first high one. Breakout, pull back, high one. And if you go for 1-to-1, that was also met with the wick of, you can even take it to like that, 66, 67, 68. Yeah, so 67 met the high, and I thought that was pretty cool. So if you're scalping 1-to-1, it's still met. I've been scalping more. I did all right today. I'm starting to get back in the groove. So yeah, it starts to reverse. We have a wedge top here. 68, 2-bar reversal. So reverses, pull back, sells off, pull back, sells off, pull back. 72 is where the bear starts to catch momentum. You can see bulls are losing. Kind of like a bull flag here, triangle, and it broke out to the downside. 72 is a really big bar. You can probably go for 1-to-1 on that. I caught 72. I caught 73 and then stopped trading. So I scalped this bar and caught it. But we get 1-to-1 here. 75 is a pullback. And then if you go, this is strong enough. So 72, 73, 74 is a breakout, strong enough for a pullback with 77, 78. This is also leg 1, leg 2 here. Not met, but if you do the leg 1, leg 2 of, about to cough, give me 2 seconds. Excuse me. If you do 1-to-1 of bar 73 and put it to the high of 76, it's met, and even like that, it's met. So don't be greedy. Targets are met. Higher time frame looks hella cool. I'm really interested to see what happens tomorrow, because strong channel down, breakout. Is this a breakout, pull back and sell, or is it a reversal with a higher low? Because bulls rallied up on this wick, and they came down here, rallied, and sold back off. Market has a small gap up, so because this is the first gap bars the bears have put under the EMA in a long time. Remember I said that the targets were going to be the reversals So they came all the way down to here. Is that 50%? That's about 50% of the breakout. So this is the high. Wow, we tagged 50% strong in reverse. It'll be interesting if this is a higher low or a sell. Hope you guys are doing good. It's about 10 minutes. Maybe doing more bar to bar analysis. I like it. I think it's better for getting better at trading, identifying each bar, where the buyers and sellers are. It is difficult, so bear with me. I hope you guys are doing good and use your stop loss. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thank you.